boiling yet? Atta girl. You're gonna kill me! Well, get the hell over here and help me down. Come on, kid. Get me down, I'll make you a nice ice cream sundae, okay? Hey, what the hell are you doing? Hey, you little shit! When you get down from me, I'm gonna rip your fucking head off! Man! Help! Man! Man, get the hell out of here! Man! Help! Man! Man! Man!
Dear Mom and Dad, I've been at a sleepaway camp for almost 3 weeks, and I'm getting very scared.
Welcome to Sleepaway Camp. Someone is watching you.
Hey, Mama, reload!
Someone is waiting for you. Someone wants to scare you to death.
Turn it! Turn the wheel! Oh my God!
Sleepaway Camp. You won't be coming home.